Good morning, children. Myself, Rajesh Dikruz. I welcome you to the e-learning classes provided by St. Michael's Academy, Betia. Okay, children. So we are having Geography, Chapter 6, Standard 8. Topic, Agriculture and Major Crops. And already we have completed 4 videos of this lesson. And today we'll have 5th video, and in the 5th video we'll see development of agriculture. Children, we are very much known to the population. You know, the population is increasing day by day, and with the growth of world population, the demand for food has grown continuously. There is no enough food production according to the population. Over the past 30 years, the total amount of food in the world has increased at a faster rate than the average rate of the population growth. And you know that industrial revolution gave a development to a major boost to the agricultural production, and because of the industrial development we are able to meet according to the requirements and according to the need of population, and we are very much able and fulfilled the needs of the population, the food supply as they need. Because of that, according to the efforts are being made since early 1960s to increase crop production. Farmers has replaced manures with chemical fertilizers. Introductions of hybrid yield variety of seeds HYV has increased use of pesticides and insecticides, fungicides and rodenticides. These all have been very useful to the agriculture, and because of all these efforts, now the production of crops has increased. Children, you know that now we are in the modern period, and according to the modern period, farmers have been modernized in many countries. Nowadays, the farmer also use computer and weather satellites information system in agriculture, and because of that they can protect their agriculture from the damages and can get the good productions. Children, you should know that in the developed countries or else the developing country where the size of the land holding is large, about 250 hectares, there tractors, threshers and combine harvesters have made work easy and fast. Agriculture practices in a developed or a developing country, extensive agriculture is practiced and single cropping is carried out on a large scale. These people have a good storage facilities and marketing facilities are being made. As a result of this effort, agricultural production is increasing worldwide, and today there is much more food per person than there was in the 1970s, even though the total number of people has doubled. After Green Revolution in India, and the latter half of the 1960s, there was tremendous productions and development was seen in agriculture. After introducing many high-yielding varieties of seeds and facilitated the use of fertilizers that made it easier to take loans to invest in tube wells, pumps, and tractors for the farmers. All these efforts led to an increase in productivity and made India self-sufficient in food grains. Thus, Green Revolution gave a tremendous development and production in agriculture. Okay children, so we have completed this lesson. Your homework is to do the objectives. In the next video, we will complete the exercise with the question answers also as well as the objectives. If you have completed the taught lesson, please submit the copy for correction. Thanks for watching my videos. Please share it and subscribe it. Thank you. Bye.